When you know now? Me bumbo clot. That's what touch up business reach now. At this touch up business come, hey, me tell you something.
Yo!
Oh my blood clot vehicle brought them for me, brother.
So you know say look like all the car will leave back at the world.
Brother, right now, I want them to chain in. I'm gonna put it and chain it up like a blood clot pit bull in there, but it come like it not chain up so. As he run through two of them big pot one like the chop out.
And the brace I hold it up. Back I chuck it up. Back I chuck brother, watch out.
You're just so fast up in the land of see. Just say to this blood clot. Just say this up. Go. Go up there last. Go up there.
Eat there, the Sunday rice and peas.
It's a fuck up container now walking everywhere. I'm supposed to come like this in the bus and that's what it's in. Talk to him about carry porridge.
I will carry porridge.
Yeah man, that means a rent agenda. And you sell coffee. He's a man prostitute. Say no matter what you say, he's a man prostitute.
They make a pampas waste boy here and face them are using. Club bubble use.
You mean better than talk and full ice kill him.
That's a full ice.
See?
Big bro, that's time I see about that is man.
You see Hug say? Hug say? No, it's Dawg, you know. It's first name. The man there say Hug say. Man then call me there from station. She was say, yo, Blocks, what you say? I say, yeah man, brother, which part you got there? Oh. So you can't do foreign and expect to get that. No, but I say, no, you bring it in like say. You have the piece of yam, yeah. So the piece of yam you get come good and you get off. You get a piece of yam, yeah. You know, from your resources and you give me a yam and sample piece. But me never tell you something I have it. Me never tell him and bring it. No, but you don't tell him say bring it already, I have it. So me never tell you something. If me never tell you something get yam, you don't know.
No, but you know.
Okay, man, if me go to school, I fight every day. No?
You can't.
Because that me I try to tell him, you're provoking that. You just give me ganja if you give me ganja, man.
Brother,
just give me ganja if you give me ganja.
Catch you on them.
You know what we rough. Think me and them soft like girl. Me and them have rough. I'm not see that. Me wait.
Look on the animal again.
Well, you know me a gorilla that.
Me a soft. Look on them.
Look here.
They look soft.
No, pretty boy thing. Man a gorilla.
What is?
I mean, man. Run gun. Yo, you can't give me a little bit of weed there. You know about weed.
Me not bad me up.
Me not bad you up. We just being aggressive. That come from the work.
We have aggressive with the
super confident. You see me? You have to hear the elephant in the room when we walk in. Vibe.
Yes.
So you put on the weed this something?
Eh? No, I tell you me and empty say give me more.
Man, everything.
Because you see more weed in there and you cut back. No, Mike.
I know we may talk about
Eh?
it.
Cool, man.
I see him, we may talk.
Alright, just give me a little piece.
I see easy man, you don't want more.
There things that go on with it, man. You fuck your keep up, you know.
When the other man have a video,
The school man, if you have video, I have the school man. The school man, let me do my thing, man.
So you want to silent video for?
Hey, my school man, so that's my business.
I want nobody sneaking a video.
I have video, yo.
Nobody gonna sneak up no video.
No video, you don't know my video, dog. Just come out of my video, bro. I'm telling you,
I'm my mouth.
I'm here. So that's my video, man.
Yeah, but I'm my mouth.
So, yo. I see him. Go on, talk. I mean, I just can't move this blood.
Yeah, mute it.
As me, we can't hold my mouth if more blood out.
Turn you up if you want.
Oh, fuck, Lord.
Hold them shots.
Hey, you see it? That's what I'm telling you. You see rice? The man them say rice tastes like Sunday. Some people rice and peas bling. Some people rice and peas, it tastes like all true.
Thursday.
Some people rice and peas taste
Thursday, you can't taste like Tuesday because Monday, Sunday, it's bad.
Yo,
It's too close to Sunday.
Brother, some people rice and peas taste like all Friday.
This tastes like what?
This?
Sunday.
The man say this tastes like Sunday on a blood clot Friday.